Today I'm going to show you how to make fast and easy vegan granola bars. Let's get started. Put this on a low heat. I'm going to start with a little bit of coconut oil. Need about a 1/3 cup of peanut butter. And what you want to do is get all this in the pan on a very low heat just to kind of melt it down a little bit. It's going to be a 1/2 cup of rice milk, a little agave, about 2 tablespoons, about a 1/4 cup of sugar. Let us stir. Okay, we're going to be adding in our flax seed. And put a cup and about 1/2. And this is the Oat Bran, so we're going to do a 1/2 cup of Oat Bran. If you don't have the Oat Bran, it's fine. You can just add more oatmeal. I still have this on very low heat, just warming the milk, sugar, peanut butter, getting that all nice and soft. The cocoa powder should be always added last. And you can adjust. If it's too wet, add a little more oats. If it's too dry, add a little bit of milk. I'm using all non-dairy. These will be vegan granola bars. So that we're going to go ahead and turn the heat off now. Everything is nice and sticky. And we're putting in 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Kind of mix it around a little bit. So the heat is off. You can see this. It's getting pretty sticky. Just gotta blend in that cocoa powder. They should have a nice chocolate look when they're done. It's looking a little dry, so here's where I'm gonna go add just a little dab more milk. Maybe about a tablespoon. Okay, I'm gonna add just a tiny bit of coconut oil to my pan. This, you can use any flat pan or plate, or I'm gonna put it out on there so I can spread it and flatten it out too. You can flatten it out and cut it into squares, or sometimes we take it and roll it into little balls. So you just flatten it out, however thick you like it. And go ahead and take a knife or pizza cutter while it's still warm. Kind of hard to cut after it cools off. There you have it. Nice vegan granola bar. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.